guys, hello all, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. Namaste, hola, hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing fine. So our today's topic is, are you feeling bored? Are you feeling hopeless? Are you feeling upset, sad? So we will check this out, that what excitement is coming in your life, what is next exciting thing is going to happen, will happen to you or in your life, or else what news and blessings are coming, positive news and good vibes are coming in your life. So yeah, let's see, let's begin the fun. Okay, please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, and for liking, sharing, subscribe and supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Please always keep supporting, liking, sharing, and keep loving. Okay, and one more thing I want to say, if you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. I post a lot of free videos over there, as well as over there as well, like yes and no readings sometimes. And my link of the Instagram Divine Energy Tarot is mentioned in the description box below. Okay, for personal reading you can check the description box below. You can email me or DM me on Instagram. Okay, and we have two options in front of us. This is the silver bottle, sparkling bottle, silver color sparkling bottle. This is green color, light green color sparkling bottle. Isn't it great? I love this. Okay, so option number one. Option number two, you can pause the video, meditate on the video. Okay, we will start with this option. And yeah, please remember, this will be a general reading. Okay, and comment down below, let me know, like, share, subscribe guys, and let me know how did you find this reading and this video. Okay, and you can check out all the topics, different topics I have posted on different topics on my channel. You can check those out. And please let me know whether you like long videos, short videos, or shorts, 15-second shorts, like not so long video, not so short video, like like short video, long video, whatever. You just let me know. If you want me to pick a card on different topics, let me know, suggest some topics. Also let me know which country you are watching from, which city, which state, which area you are watching from. So thank you so much guys, let's start. Okay, those who have chose this option, silver bottle, we will keep this aside. Okay, so what next exciting thing will happen in your life. Okay, Page of Swords, Two of Pentacles. I have said 10 of Pentacles, so something is resonating. Let's see, we will check in the end. The Emperor, the Star, King of Wands, wow, Queen of Cups, King of Swords. Okay, I don't know why I am feeling the anger in you with this card. I am feeling you are angry, or you are short-tempered person, or like you know, basically you get angry easily, or you are angry about something. This is what I am feeling. The Moon, Queen of Cups. I am feeling, I have said 10 of Pentacles. Okay, while I was like showing this Two of Pentacles card, I have said 10 of Pentacles. It means for some of you are married. Okay, that is what I am feeling, and you belong to a wealthy background. That is also what I am feeling. And for some of you, if you are not married, then also you belong to a wealthy background. So this can be for some of you. Okay, that is why I have said 10 of Pentacles. So signs I am seeing over here: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini strongly. Okay, Aquarius strongly, Aquarius, Libra also, Gemini also, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, like I've said, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Almost every sign is there, but strongly I am feeling Gemini, Aquarius, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so basically you are angry about something, definitely on someone, or about something you are angry about. Someone is hiding a lot of stuff from you. You feel like that, you assuming like that. Maybe a lady or a female, or your the person whom you love or whom you like. Okay, this can be your this like take according to your gender. If you're male watching this, then you are angry on your person, on the one you love. Or if you're female watching that, watching this, so vice versa, same for them also, for you also. Queen of Cups. So maybe your throat chakra is blocked. Okay, so you are angry. You feel like someone is very mysterious, someone is very hiding a lot of stuff from you, and someone is showing ego to you. Those sort of vibe I am getting from this pile. Okay. You don't want to take action and you want your person to contact you. Those are, for some of you I am feeling that. If you are, especially if you are male watching this, and you are that, and your person is not contacting you, and that is why you are angry, and but you know that there is a still hope in the situation. Okay, some of you are trying to juggle, you are trying to balance your money situation, and for some of you are trying to juggle lot of things in your life. You are trying to balance out two people in your life. Oh, twice we have received Queen of Cups and Queen of Cups. Wow, guys, Queen of Cups twice we have received. So definitely someone is there in your life. You are thinking, or if you are thinking about that person, that can be a female or feminine energy. Okay, divine feminine, or they or she has got strong intuition. Why I am feeling you are male watching this and you are inquiring about your female person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, that person can be, or that person, that lady can be very intuitive, and they are not reacting, they are not contacting you, they are not talking to you. That is what I am feeling, and you are angry on them. They are hiding a lot of stuff from you, or they are like with somebody else, and over here you are not taking action, and they are also not taking any action. Those sort of vibes I am getting. But this can be, remember, this can be your person's energy as well. Okay, the one who was not taking any action most of the time, then that person is going to take action with this King of Wands, because this person is moving, but it is very slow, it will be slow. So what exciting thing is coming in your life? If you feel bored and sad and upset, I'm telling you, first of all, whatever you are feeling upset about, there is a hope in that situation. Still there is a hope with this star card in that situation. If your health issue is you are facing any health issue or healing, you want healing in your life, in your chakras, then I can see healing will be happening, your health issue will be resolved. Okay, and there is a hope. You'll find hope, new spark in your life. For some of you, your life is like, you are like you are angry, you are bored, nothing new in your life. And for some, you also feel like, what's there to live in this life? Just living you are just living like a dead person, like robotic life you are living. Those sort of vibe I am getting with this Emperor. For some of you I can sense. So those things will be changing. Okay, those things will be changing. For some of you, if you want to start your own business, I can see you will start your own business. And if you are feeling any loss in your business, there will be a progress in your business, career, job, money situation. If you are waiting for a person who is in Queen of Cups energy, they can be female, male, take according to your gender, then that person will be talking to you if you will take action. Okay, and if this was your person, then they will take action towards you, because there is a hope still in the situation. Whatever this is, if this is a love matter, there is a hope in this situation, definitely. Okay, and for some of you, a lot of secrets will be coming out in your life. That is what I am feeling. Let me pull out some charms for you guys. So guys, here are my charms, and I have also kept few messages, words, smileys. Let's see what exciting is coming in your life. Ooh. So guys, if you are angry on someone, then I'm telling you, you will guys patch up, and you will have a lot of passionate sexual days and nights together. Okay, so passion is coming. a lot of love is coming, I'm telling you, with this moon with this moon card, and we have received the moon charm as well. So if you feel like a lot of things are hidden in your life, those things will come out in the light. And I'm also feeling that any feminine energy, like if you are feeling like any problem with feminine energy, whether they are your she's your mother, or she's your daughter, or girlfriend, or wife, or your ex-lover, those, so with them the issues will be resolved. Okay, if you want to travel, if you feel like nobody is taking action towards you and you want to travel, if you want to meet that person, you want to travel, then I can see travel and meeting is going to happen. Okay, and fast movement and progress you will receive in your love life as well in your career. For most of your career, in your career matter, you will feel some progress, you will receive some progress. We have received elephant over here as well as over here. So I don't know, with this charm I am feeling you are going to have you are going to get a pet, or if someone will give you a pet something like that, and that excitement is coming in your life. Initials we have received only H. Let me pull out some more initials for you guys if I can. So yeah, I will only pull out initials. Okay, so R, S, H, P can be someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. Okay, so love is coming. Yes, I'm telling you, with this Queen of Cups, Star card, King of Wands, and this charm, I've told you, like I've already told you, love is coming in your life. If you are going through any struggle with any feminine or female in your life, then it will be resolved. If you are in separation with your partner and you are angry on your female partner, then it will going to be resolved. It will going to be resolved, and love is coming in your life. Passion is coming, movement is coming, travel is, maybe you will travel towards them or they will travel towards you, or else you guys go on a trip or travel or picnic somewhere. Okay, with this grapes I am feeling like oh wow, also we have received this. So with this grapes I am feeling like, for some of you, if you are planning for a baby, like grapes for me is fertility. This is reminding me of fertility. So yeah, feminines, if you are female watching this and if you are planning for a baby, then there are chances of pregnancy. Okay, or a child is on the way. That is what I am feeling. For some of you, you are going to get some contact you are going to get some news, like someone will contact you or call you or message you, and you are going to get some good news in regards to you are going to get some communication in regards to your in regards to your love life and money matter as well. If you are waiting for some money or career or job call, then it will happen. If you are waiting for love partner, then it will happen. Those sort of vibe, good news, those sort of good news. Okay, also if someone is hiding a lot of stuff from you, and they are buttering you, and a lot of secrets, and you feel like a lot of secrets and hidden things are there in your life, or people are around you are like hiding a lot of stuff, so those sort of things will come into the light. That is what I am feeling. For some of you, if you want to have a child with the person you love, there are chances you will have it. Okay, for some of you I can see some sort of surprise and or gift is coming. Some sort of surprise and or gift is coming. And also I am feeling, for some of you, wise and intelligent person is coming towards you. Wise and intelligent person is coming towards you, guys. And movement, for some of you, you are like I feel like you are stuck with this King of Swords card, and with this card you feel angry because you are stuck since long time, and nothing is moving. Then I can sense movement is coming, guys. Movement is coming, definitely. Yes, a lot of progress also you will get in career. So those sort of exciting things will happen in your life. This is what I feel for you, and specifically and especially love is coming. And if you are juggling, for those of you, I can see some of you, you are juggling, you are trying to balance in your money situation, then there will be a progress in your money career. That is what also I am feeling. New job, if you are looking for, you will get a call, interview call, those sort of vibe I am getting. So this is what I feel for you, pile 1. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know, comment down below. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in my next video. Okay, we'll move to the second pile. Hi guys, so those who have chose this green sparkle bottle, light green color sparkle bottle, so what exciting is going to happen in your life, and if you're feeling upset, sad, bored, what will excite you in upcoming days, or let's see what is going to happen. Good news, any blessing, any surprise is going to happen or not for you guys. Let's see, I will put it over here. Ooh, the Magician. Wow, King of Pentacles. Okay, so those who have chose this option, you are guys are waiting since long time to love, to enter, to love. Sorry, those who has chose this option, light green option, you are waiting since long time to, for love to enter in your life. Definitely, that is what I am feeling. Yeah. And some of you feel like something is disturbing you, bothering you in your life, and you are not able to speak against it, about it, because even if something is bothering you, or someone is bothering you, disturbing you, those sort of vibes I am getting. Okay, especially if this is a third party or third person interfere in your relationship, or it was a interference in past. So so you have been waiting since long time for justice, for some sort of result, for some sort of conclusion, closure. So that thing is coming. Okay, that thing is coming. I'm telling you, love is coming in your life. Okay, if you can see these two cards, you don't need to be a tarot reader to read these two cards. Definitely you can see, like, there is a heart, these two cats are drinking from one cup, like you can see these two cups. So two of cups. So definitely love is coming in your life, love is going to enter in your life. That exciting is going to happen. Second thing, you'll come into your power, you'll manifest, you will have whatever you want, you can attract whatever you want. That power you will realize, or you will come into the perfect alignment so that you can attract those things. If you already know that you are capable, then you will come into the alignment, perfect alignment, that your manifestations are coming true. For some of you are manifesting since long time, but it was not coming true. That is also what I am feeling. Okay, so those sort of issue will be resolved. And if you want to travel, you have a bike, specifically a bullet, or I don't know the bike name, bullet bike, or you have some sort of special type of a bike, I don't know what it's called, sports bike or luxurious bike, and you wanted to travel, then I can see that thing is going to happen. That exciting and new thing is going to happen in your life. That is what I am feeling. Okay, for some of you, if you're holding, like if you are waiting for some sort of money and investment, then I can see, and someone was holding back your money and investment and inheritance, or they were stingy or you were stingy, then money is going to come in your life. Take according to your situation and your gender. Okay, this can be your the person whom you are dealing with as well. If you are not this stingy person, then this can be the person who is not giving you your money or your inheritance, or they were so stingy in giving money. Then those sort of issue will be resolved. With this 8 of Pentacles, I can see you are working very hard on your career. I can see for some of you, you are a witch or a tarot reader or a spiritual person, and you are working very hard in growing your online business or your YouTube channel, or some sort of social media or online business success you want, and that is coming for you guys. Okay, even if you are not a spiritual person, a tarot reader, or YouTuber, if you are doing something online, or you have online business, even if you are working, like you are working in someone's office, or you have a job, or you have your own business, or freelancer you are, whatever you do, you are working very hard, and you will get some success, and you will see some success in that. Okay, fruits of your hard work you are going to have. That is what I am feeling. So that excitement is coming, money is coming, love is coming, and you are going to get whatever you wish to, that because you will come into the magician power, and you will realize that power. If until this time you have not realized, then you are going to realize. Okay, so you will manifest, and if you already are manifesting, then I can see you'll come into the perfect alignment, and you will get the result, whatever the you will get the like outcome you are waiting for, result you are waiting for, final judgment you are waiting for, that you are going to get. That is what I am feeling. Okay, for some of you, if you want stability, if it is a house, if you want your own house or your own property, or you want money, career, or marriage stability, any sort of stability you want, that is coming. So that new and exciting is going to happen. For some of you, if you are worried for your children, if you are worried about your children's education or health or their job and career situation, then I can see some sort of progress you will be having with this Ace of Pentacles. And also you are going to buy your own property. Okay, it will be on your name. That is also I am feeling. If you wanted to buy a car or a bike since long time, some sort of particular car, luxurious car or sports car, or luxurious bike or sports bike, or some sort of bike or two-wheeler or four-wheeler you wanted to buy, you are going to have. Okay, that excitement is coming in your life. If you wanted to buy a property or an office or a home, house, apartment, you are going to get that. If you are looking for a job, stable income, that is coming. If you are looking for your own business and growth, name, fame, success, that is coming. If you want marriage, commitment, serious relationship, that is coming. And for some of you, if you are waiting since all these things long time, you have been very much patient, and since long time you have been waiting for all these things, then I am telling you, everything is going to happen with this Ace of Pentacles card. Love is coming, marriage is coming, commitment is coming, money is coming, career is going to be stabilized. If you want to buy a car, house, property, office, that is going to happen. For some of you, you are already owners of a car or a house, or you have stable income, stable job, business, that is what I am feeling. And you want love in your life, then that is coming. Okay, and you want to go and you want some excitement, like you want to travel somewhere, that is also coming. If you have been very much stingy in showing your emotions, or in sharing your money, then I can see in upcoming days with this Magician card, with this card, I'm feeling like you are going to share your wealth, and you are going to help a lot of needy people, and that will give you excitement. Okay, and that will give you a new spark in your life. By giving someone smile on their face, you will smile a lot, you will laugh a lot. That is what I am feeling. Let's pull out some charms for you. Okay, okay, initials we have received for you: O, we have received R. R initial, every time when I do reading, R initial comes up in my every reading, every pile. R, B, O. Okay, V. Okay, so these are the initials. This can be someone's name, middle name, surname, company name, place name. Yeah, so take according to your situation. H also we have received H. So see, this is the smiley. For some of you, if you are waiting for love or someone's love offer or proposal or commitment or some sort of communication you are waiting for someone from someone, then you are going to have this communication and you will blush like anything, like a you are going to smile like a child and innocent and blush. You are innocent smile and you are going to blush. Okay, those sort of good communication, good news you are going to receive, especially from the one whom you love. Okay, that is what I'm feeling. Wow, isn't it cute? I have kept a lot of smileys in my charms. I have added it. Okay, for some of you, if your life is chaotic, then peace is coming. If you want transparent people and transparency in your life, then that is coming. That is new and exciting is coming. See, call again, a call. See, yes, someone, and you are going, for some of you I am feeling you are going to call and contact your like school friends, past friends, and like your person, your lover, your loved one. You are going to contact those and you will feel like very excited. So those sort of excitement. Wow, a big smile. Wow, take a picture, it will last longer. For some of you, if you are looking for some like if you are waiting for your past person or someone is in your mind strongly, you love them and you are like watching the pictures on social media or looking photos, videos in your mobile, if you have their pictures, then something regarding that is going to bring big smile on your face. Okay, that is what I am feeling. Yeah, see, if someone was like hiding some stuff and bitching behind your back, hiding some stuff and bitching behind your back, or interfered in your relationship, in your love life, then those sort of people will be removed, will be wiped out. Okay, any sort of sneaky or people who interfere and spoil your image or others' image, and they just like like behaving very sneaky, then they were not transparent to you, then those sort of people will be removed out of your life. Okay, and you will realize a lot of things. That is also I am feeling. If you don't know how to listen to your intuition, and if you are trying to listen to your intuition, then I can see you will get some success in that, and you will feel excited once you notice that your intuition is working perfectly, and you'll notice things will happen, then that will make you excited. So basically, I'm in this pile. I am feeling like very children and young and vibe I'm getting for some of you. So basically, career progress is coming in your life, definitely. And for some of you, if you wanted to travel out of country, that is going to happen, and that exciting thing will happen to you. If you are waiting for your counterpart, your twin flame, and you want to talk to them, that exciting thing will happen. And a lot of passionate things also I am seeing in this pile. So those sort of excitement is coming, those sort of happiness is coming. If you are feeling upset, sad, so please don't be upset, sad, or bored. Okay, so this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope you liked my charm reading style, card reading style, and my smiley reading style. So I hope you liked my style. Thank you so much. Please check out other topics as well, which I have posted, and let me know you like short video, long video, or medium video. I mean, not so long, not so short. Or also you can suggest me some topics in comment down below, and like, share, subscribe guys. Thank you so much. Join me on Instagram, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, love you all.